In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add billing in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect so your account can start serving ads without interruptions. First, open your Google Ads account. Head to the Google Ads homepage and sign in with the account you use for advertising. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check that you're in the correct one before you make any changes. It helps to have your payment details ready, like your card or bank info, and make sure you're authorized to use them for business expenses. Next, go to Billing. In most layouts, you'll find Billing in the top menu under Tools and Settings, then Billing. Depending on your region and interface updates, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the Billing section that controls how you pay for your ads. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permission level on the account. Once you're in Billing, click Payment Methods. This is the area that lists any existing payment sources and where you can add new ones. It's also where Google shows which method is currently primary and how charges are handled. Now, click Add Payment Method. This brings up the form where you'll provide your payment details. Take a moment here to confirm the billing country and currency shown at the top. Match your business location and account settings. These choices can be difficult to change later, and staying consistent helps prevent payment issues. Select the type of payment method you want to add. Depending on your location, options may include a credit or debit card, a bank account, or other locally supported methods. Choose the one that best fits your needs, then enter your payment information carefully. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank or card issuer has on file, down to abbreviations and postal codes. Small mismatches can cause declines. From here, follow the prompts on your screen to complete setup. You may be asked to confirm tax details, agree to billing terms, or verify your method. For cards, that can be a quick authorization check. For bank accounts, you might need to confirm small deposits. If you're offered the option to make this your primary payment method, select it if this will be your main way to pay going forward. When you finish the prompts, Google Ads will add the method and show it in your list. Keep an eye on your billing section for any alerts and update your details if your card expires or your bank information changes. That's all it takes to add billing in Google Ads.